It's time to slowly start cleaning up my backyard this week while I can, while the weather is slowly warming up. First up is this little flower bed by my back patio that has remnants of jumbo purple iris, pink sedum, and the beginning blooms of mini daffodils called Minnow Daffodils. I planted 8 small bulbs the year before last, making now their second spring, and they have definitely naturalized, doubled, and some tripled. They are so small that it's hard to tell, but I can tell the difference in them from last year. These daffodils grow in full to part sun, about 4 to 6 inches tall, and were planted only about an inch down, covered in mulch. So far, it looks like they're coming up in early March, around the same time as the regular sized daffodils. You can grow them in pots under most trees and shrubs, and of course in beds, or use them as a border. They are deer, rabbit, and vole resistant, and you can propagate them by removing offsets as the leaves fade in early summer. Happy planting!